Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on Epic Games. Open the Epic Games launcher and sign in, then link your Riot Games account to Epic. Enable the option to allow third-party apps. Download the Riot client through Epic. Install Valorant from the Riot client. Restart your PC if prompted. Launch Valorant through the Riot client while Epic is running to keep game updates synced and maintain ownership in settings. Start by signing into your Epic Games account and opening account settings. Then locate the Connections or Apps section to link Riot Games quickly and securely. Confirm authentication codes when prompted and enable two-factor authentication on both accounts. Review connected apps periodically and remove any unknown entries. This keeps your Valorant progress and purchases safe, while ensuring Epic can launch the Riot client. If Valorant fails to launch through Epic, first update both Epic and the Riot client, then run each as administrator and close conflicting overlay apps like recording tools. Temporarily disable antivirus or firewall blockers to test launch behavior. Clear the Epic cache and the Riot client cache files if errors continue. Reinstalling the Riot client via Epic can fix deeper issues. Keep drivers updated and reach out to support only after these steps to speed resolution for playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.